Hope you can hear that ticking noise. It's coming from somewhere up here. I mean, to me it comes from somewhere around the V-belt. I changed the V-belt, I changed the pulley, I changed the timing belt, including pulley and tensioner. So to me it really sounds like it's coming from somewhere there. And you can also see that the wheel from the V-belt is actually jumping a bit. So what I've heard is that the V-belt, there are different lengths for them, 1825 or 1841 millimeters. So I'm not sure if I should take a shorter one or longer one to prevent that issue. But I can really see properly that this wheel there is jumping. I'm not sure what's the cause of it.